My name's Chad Folkman. I've been doing this for almost 20 years, and these are the tips and tricks that I found work the best. If you're in an area where baiting is not allowed and you still want to up your chances of being successful in your bear hunt, the best natural places that we found for bears in the spring, anywhere where the grass can green up first, so whether that be an old logging road, old log blocks, field edges, old burns if they had an old fire like a year ago, and the next year all that fresh stuff starts growing, that is perfect places. Any new lush growth, whether it be grass, clover, young trees, young sapling trees, pretty much anything that is green first is going to gravitate a bear to that area. If you're hunting in the fall, field edges, grain fields, bears really love oats, so if you could find an oat field on the edge of some timber, more than likely bears are going to be traveling into that. If you can find natural berry places where there's lots of raspberries and or blueberries, the bears are going to be in there eating strong, trying to build that winter fat before they hibernate. When hunting either spring and or fall bears, the thing to remember is bears are slaves to their stomach. They have to constantly be eating, putting on fat and protein, because once they wake up, they're just preparing for the next year's hibernation. If you can find these high protein food sources, your hunting success should go up.